Hey kids, how are you today? Hope you're doing great. Let's have fun. Today we're going to learn about am, is, are. Am is a verb when you use the word I. I am. I am happy. Is a verb that used for the word he, she, and it, or any singular noun. Example, he is eating banana. She is writing a story. It is a red ball. Are is the verb that used for the word we, they, and you. Example, we are swimming. They are running. You are playing. And now let's review. It is walking. They are playing. I am painting. The cow is eating grass. He is reading. We are friends. The lion is the king of the jungle. I am good in jumping. You are right. Great job!